Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a few things to this truck. We already disconnected the positive. We got an issue, so you can see that pink, that's transmission fluid on the water cool. So that means the radiator is contaminated, everything's contaminated. And we also got a bad starter on it. So I'm going to replace the starter, and then we got to replace the radiator, flush it and all that, and see what we got. So first let me get the starter replaced. I'm gonna get underneath and jack out the car, obviously. And this is where your starter is. So you got 2 bolts right there, and the cables over here in the signal. So let me loosen those up. I think this is a ground 13 and another 13 in the back of it. So you're gonna do a dip socket, the one on top, and then the wires up there. So let me get that loosened up and see what else we might need to do. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so we got the bottom bolt down, the top one, and the 2 in the back is a 10 and a 13 for the back cables. I don't think there's nothing else, so we should be able to pop this baby out and put the new one in. Alright, let me get that done and see what else we need. Alright guys, so the new starter is in. We got the ground, the one on top, they're all 13s right there. We got a burn cap back on. The small wire, that's a 10, and the big red wire, that's another 13. So you take those out, you take the ones on the ground and the one on top, and the starter is in. So now let me try to start it, see if this engine will start, so then we can figure out our radiator problem. Alright, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.